ByWallet app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to managing digital assets, most wallets either focus on simplicity or advanced control, but the ByWallet app aims to do both. It's been gaining attention for its smooth integration with multiple platforms and tight security, but is it truly worth the hype? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the ByWallet app offers multi-currency support, allowing users to store everything from Bitcoin and Ethereum to popular stablecoins. It also supports direct token swaps, meaning you can trade assets instantly without needing an external exchange. One of its biggest advantages is speed and convenience. The app processes transactions quickly and provides clear status updates in real time, which is perfect for users who value transparency. It also includes biometric login and private key encryption, offering an extra layer of security that's easy to use. Another strength is its cross-platform availability. You can access your wallet from both mobile and desktop, making it easier to manage funds on the go or at home. And with an interface designed for beginners, it avoids the clutter that confuses many crypto users. Now, for the cons. While ByWallet's features are impressive, its ecosystem is still developing, meaning integration with some DeFi platforms or NFTs may be limited. Some users also report minor sensing delays when switching between devices. Additionally, the wallet's focus on simplicity means fewer advanced customization options, which might leave expert traders wanting more control. In summary, the ByWallet app strikes a smart balance between ease of use and reliable performance. The surprising truth? It's not trying to be the flashiest wallet, just a secure, well-rounded one that actually works for everyday crypto users.